Good morning. How we doing, everyone? Welcome in. See if we can find some good setups today. What's up? A little pump off the open. I was gonna look for some longs above this ES level, but I don't know if it's gonna give us a pullback. All right, what's up, Team Bull? How we doing?
Just watching this climb.
I'm not saying we couldn't make some money from shorts, but I'd be careful. Be careful shorting.
Same page, bro. Same page.
I would like to pull back to that 2300 area.
That's what I was looking for, bro.
We got the fair value gap there. That's the 50% area on it. The whole side number.
Oh my gosh. Just base ripper. What an enormous opening range. I think we can mark we can go ahead and mark the bottom together because I don't think we're gonna change that in the next Let's move this up if we need to. Interesting. Our pre-market high and 15-minute low basically open are right at the same level. We just went straight up off open. Literally nothing but up. One thing I love about trading, it gives us a new challenge every day. It's like a puzzle. We're just trying to get a piece or two of that puzzle in the right way and get out. The range is set. That's crazy. I started trading in the first Trump market. Just talking about that with Grizzly. Back in 2016. Yes, I am Unk. Shut up, Gene. You're not supposed to laugh.
This pump is
Oh
crazy.
my gosh, dude.
Come on.
Bro, what are you about to hit all-time high? Do not call me T.O. That's crazy.
Welcome in, YouTube. Oh, busy morning for me. Sorry if I seem distracted.
One good trade. It's going to be one and done. Just want one good trade. Like that, Gene? Gene just said no mames. Dude, I just can't chase this long up here, guys. I just can't do it. I'm sorry, I just can't do it. I gotta wait for a pullback. Let's see if Fibonacci gives us anything. Right around that 23,000. Here's the problem with today's orb, all right? Our 15-minute high is at 65. If we close this candle strong with volume, the only issue is that our next price target is literally going to be all-time highs. I mean, literally, it's going to be up at 23,102. I just have a hard time thinking this candle's not going to have some sort of pullback. Given our circumstances, today's likely, I've been trying to size up a little more. I have bigger days. You've probably seen that, but I'm going to have to size back down at this point.
I don't know where Greg is. That's a good
At
point.
least. I'm going to size back down at least for today. If that changes,
Good
I'll let y'all know.
question. Good question. It's pumping pretty well.
Someone asked me if I sports bet. If y'all want to make good money, just take the opposite sports bets. I mean, inverse J down on sports betting. I'm sizing down because we're literally at all-time highs with an enormous orb. Higher volumes confirming. So we can watch for a pullback down here to 64. Maybe keep stops below 40 if we get down here. 64 below 40 here, that's 24 points of risk.
I don't often use them, Jonas. Occasionally.
I'm open to try it. It's just you got to be prepared. We had an enormous pop up.
I don't care if we. Hold on. I don't mind us pumping. I just wish it would give a pullback for an entry.
Nothing.
Nothing, man. It's
We're almost
straight up.
all-time highs. We're 7 points away.
On NQ?
Yep.
It's wild.
23,102. I honestly am shocked. I did not think we were going to hit that quick. I'm willing to try a small piece if we confirm down here. I'm willing to try it. It would be small, and stops would have to be below this
What are you trying?
40. If not right now, if we get down to 60, the orb level, 64 to 60. Not right here. I don't like that 50% retracement from the highs at 40. Ideally, I'd rather see a pullback deeper, closer to 23, but I'm just not sure they're going to give us that today. You know what we need is
Good morning. Welcome in.
Back to VWAP. We need a solid NVIDIA $1.50 pullback. That should help the rest of the market get in line, get a pullback, and then move forward. But if NVIDIA doesn't pull back, I don't think we're getting that deep pullback. Tesla, and especially if Tesla can find some footing and get some strength. You know, we have Google pumping too. Google's up 1.5% for the day. Apple hasn't really found its footing, so we really need NVIDIA to find that pullback. And then if we can get NVIDIA to pull back and the other big blue chips to pop, I don't give a crap what Boeing's doing. I hope it's a zero. Damn, Boeing's pumping too. Of course, I'm sure when you need a pullback, just let me buy Boeing. I guarantee you we get a pullback then.
Morning, good morning. All right, let's see if we get a pullback here. Jaden said he's watching that 2360 area for a possible long entry. Right at my level here on NQ. Luke, why are you shorting all-time highs? Literally 7 points away. I would be careful. Either way, Luke, I hope it prints for you.
Four hours don't tell me much. 1 hour. $64 is a high risk bounce. I mean, for the orb, you have that level here. It is high risk though if we took it here. Or 15 points
quit
down
yawning.
here, but I'd rather see it move back down into this area. I don't think we're gonna get that 23. Not on an aggressive candle. So we had some sort of news. Being super patient, guys.
Oh yeah, the giveaway is today. I forgot about that. I think didn't I give you one last time, Warrior? Come on, print for him.
No, we got FOMC meds today too. Something to be aware of.
So you all want take profit eval, huh? Okay, Miss Lopez, you can have one. Brady, you can have one. Focal 775, you can have one. Kimchi, you can have one. So, the four I gave take profit 1, 2. I need you to go to Instagram and DM me. First off, say I'm a giveaway winner, so I know. And send me your email associated with Take Profit. You have to have a Take Profit account, then send me the email, so I can send have them send the credits over. I'm gonna do another giveaway this week, so.
See where this hourly closes in a few minutes. One nice 30, 40 point trade today.
Appreciate you all. I try to give away as much stuff as possible.
Doji on the 5 minute. Got 10 points from our orb high that didn't get there, so no early entries for me. Not with this big pump. Even if we go from high to high a day and all-time high here.
I'm not in a trade. Did Jaden say he was getting in a trade? I was working on this email.
Touched almost all-time high. All-time high. New all-time high. Oh my gosh, insane.
There it is, everyone. Yeah, Harold, I feel that. I told you all we're due for a nice trend day. Told you. Straight up.
Straight up, man. Hardly any pullback. Only pullback I was willing to take was that 60s area. Never got it. Lowest got was 74.
Man, we've got enough confirmation here, or enough stuff going on to trend up today. Enough volume. Like the rest of the day. We'll see.
Here's the thing for me is even if we entered early in the orb at 85, right? We're closed. We're 80. We're only up 20, 25 points from that spot, so it'd still only be 1-to-1. That's why I don't have a ton of Kodafobo.
Why are people testing shorts at all-time highs? I don't understand.
I mean, technically it could work. It's just not the most sustainable strategy. If you are scalping if you are trading against the trend, you got to be scalping. I will just say that. Watch it just nuke down. I mean, it's possible, totally. Especially with the aggressive pump we had. If I was looking for shorts, I'd want to see a 5-minute or 5-minute candles close looking bearish and keep stops above the highs. That's the only time. So I would look for shorts. This candle doesn't look half bad. But I'd want to see more confirmation. And I'd personally rather catch a higher low.
I can assure you, I will not be taking no shorts here, everyone. It could sell off, but just not the way I like to trade all-time highs.
Yeah.
Especially the day of breaking it, you know. Let me look at ES for you. Got you. Doesn't look half bad. Well. Any questions you all have? That may be. If we pull back, Harold, that would be the reason.
Oh, come on, give me something. Not long in it. Yeah, here, it could nuke up, but it's not deep enough for me. That's what she said.
Hmm?
And Q with the close at 23.87. Come on. It's likely going to keep trending up. I just don't have the risk reward to personally do that, to try it.
Nvidia's got the market fired up. That's what's going on.
Da-do-da-do. Da-do-da-do. Don't say. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. lottery. Being patient. I'm finding a good trade today. If it sets up, I'm finding a good trade. Staying patient for it. I'll be right back, Team Bolt.
I think tomorrow will be our best trading day. We got FOMC minutes today, so if we take a trade light size. See if we get above this 30-minute range.
We gotta milk the cow. Milk the cow. Get paid.
Goodness, he's feeling it. I don't know. I'd like to see a pullback, but this isn't it. Not enough. Looking at price action, I'd say there's some profit taken. Little indecision here. We're just consolidating for the next push up. We'll see. There are no trades to be made that I see. I see there, Weedy. Hmm. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't just consolidate until minutes later. You know it's not my birthday, Christian. Remember, everyone wish me happy birthday has to get me something for my actual birthday. That's the rules. I hate how big this 30-minute range is. Literally hate it. May not be a trade to be made today. No, not really. Starting to feel like maybe we just set it out. Only thing I'm looking for is long entry, everyone. Not looking for shorts at all. We could bounce here, but we have such a range. We could push on down and bounce here, you know? It's this massive range. Not one we could hold for hope in, you know? Which you never want to do. What's Go doing? Selling off, I assume. See if Jay doesn't take anything.
Not sure I want this bounce, guys. I'm gonna need more confirmation.
Jadon was watching the 15-minute range for a bounce, so.
Let you guys know if I enter. Still have not entered. Still have not entered. And this is why. The boys in Admin Fork had a nice trade. That's what I was kind of thinking up there when I said that candles itself looks nice for a short. Let's see here if we can get down a little lower. Started a small piece of longs.
Jadon says
Or
trying
40s.
longs. Jadon entered longs, everyone.
Started a small piece of longs.
Excuse me.
Went light size, so I have room to add. I'll stop if we go below 24.
Yeah, I mean, it's just not my strategy. I will not short all-time
Never did.
highs. Exactly
You
at
tried it,
all-time
though.
highs. Never. It's just not part of my strategy. If it works for you, great, but it just doesn't work out for me often.
So, willing to take a small loss on this. Again, I went light size. Don't love that candle. My worst case loss is at 24. That's worst case scenario. Again, I went very light size. So,
I'm watching a trade, everyone. Watching right here.
keep it
Right in this
around
area.
500.
Come on, push down.
Dang, just got my stop, guys. Out for negative 500. Just over.
All right.
Still like, the only other bounce area I like is under 23,000. If not that, then I got nothing
Okay,
else.
I got a trade.
What are you looking at?
Well, you said it. Why? The 23,000. This area here for a bounce. A little lower.
Yeah, it's the only thing I like in this trend, so. Jesus, we're right there. I gotta wait for a confirmation candle.
I tried a little bit there, everyone.
One more try for me.
I tried longs.
23,000, I'll try it, guys. Trying right here. 29,996. Tried him as well. If we go below 29,978, I'm out for 20 points.
I blame you if we lose.
Yep. Only trade I got, so pull back. Only thing I got. Stop loss has to be below 977. I'll be 0 for 2 if it loses.
My average is 23,003.
If We got below 977. I got nothing else. My life will be down for the day. We'll be down over $1,000. The short boys killed it. That's what I was worried about up there, man. Just hate shorting the trend. I'd rather try pullbacks for longs, you know, and get stopped than try to short trends and get cooked over time.
Got to pump it up. I want to see a nice push,
There we
everyone.
go. That ad down there was nice. See if we can hold above that 300 though. That 996 area ad went up 14 points, but not enough to trim for me. Not enough to trim for me, guys. If you get above 920, I'd be open to trimming.
Give us a nice push up.
No, I'm not loving it. We'll see. I don't hate it, but it's not giving the type of push up I'd like to see off a key level like that. Not giving the push up I'd like to see, especially if it closes 5 minutes below. My hard stops are set 77. So I'll be down over $1,000. Get back part of yesterday's gains. Technically speaking, not at max loss because the first one was so small and this one's relatively small too, but we'll see.
This is what it is. It's gonna print, or we're gonna manage our risk well and stop out.
If this closes below 23,000 though, right, literally right at it. I'm keeping my stops in the same spot. Again, if you don't like it, it's a break even right now, or just above. If you get 96 area, 22,000 area, you're in profit slightly. Just beware your risks. I'm keeping my risk in the same spot. Doesn't look great though from a 5 minute perspective. Definitely not what I want to see from a 5 minute perspective. You want to see an aggressive bounce off that key level. We just got a little wick, but most of it's red and higher red volume. So
Gonna mute Team Bull for a second. Hit my stop. Hit my stop, everyone.
96 to 77, 19 points. Well, I guess technically I had two ads, so it was 98 to 77, so 21 points. 21 points there. Down over $1,000 on the day. No more long tries for me. Tried in the pullback for higher low, tried at the key level. I'm glad the shorts are winning though. I had a bad feeling about that as we saw those candlesticks form up there. Had a bad feeling about that looking at that price action, but followed my plan, follow the trend, and to losing trades. Technically not at max loss yet, so if I see something else good, I'm willing to take it. But certainly not going to force. I'm happy to end my day red. Let's see how this candle, pre-market low or pre-market high, 15-minute low.
Well, it is FOMC minutes, everyone.
Confirmation if I'm
Light size day, but I got to get up here and get ready for the drop. And yeah.
Some solid confirmation if I'm going to take anything else.
I wasn't crazy about today anyways after we didn't continue at the 30-minute orb. The only bounce area I had after that, after its big move up, was right here.
Yeah, not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to start the day, but whatever.
It could trim back up, it could make a high day. You never know, but we have to manage our risk.
Congrats to the mega
Peace,
traders.
everyone.